Hi everyone, my name is Marv McCarthy and I'd like to welcome you to Leadership Adventure. Leadership Adventure has two components. The first is the company Leadership Adventure, which is an executive mentoring, coaching, and training company. The second component is an online community, and my dream for this is that we bring together leaders who are interested in learning and growing and helping each other improve. And there are four pillars that form the foundation of the online community. The first is that we all have to have an interest in lifelong learning. The second is that we have to have a dedication to continuous improvement. It doesn't do a lot of good to learn and learn and learn if we're not committed to putting that into practice. The third pillar is that we are all committed to leading with integrity, which unfortunately seems to be in increasingly short supply in today's society. And finally, we are leaders who are dedicated to having high impact in both our personal and professional lives. And that means that we lead with purpose. We're purposeful when we get up in the morning and we go about our daily business, and we're also committed to making an impact. So the way that we express this on Leadership Adventure, I've got a couple different platforms. The first is our website, which is leadership-adventure.com. The second is our online networking and learning community, which is community.leadershipadventure.com. And then finally, I'm just in the process of putting together a podcast, which will be available on podcast.leadershipadventure.com. So in closing, I'd like to thank you for taking a minute or two to visit with me about this. I hope you'll go check out all three of those sites, and I hope you'll consider joining us. And together, I think that we could be a global force for helping develop better leaders. Thank you.